Hi guys, how's it going? How you doing today? Hopefully today finds you well. Today I am doing my Ipsy unbagging. This is an Ipsy Plus unbagging and it is my last Ipsy because I canceled my Ipsy. It is, you know, the end of an era. So I just don't need it anymore. I'm trying to be a little more conscious about what I'm spending my money on. I have a ton of beauty products in my collection, and I just don't think that Ipsy is something that I need anymore. Now, this all started a few months ago when I canceled the glam bag, the regular glam bag, because I got tired of all the damn samples in my collection and really just started looking at my collection as a whole. I did my inventory and I realized this is crazy sauce. Why do I continue to get this subscription bag when I don't need it? For those of you new here, hi, my name is Donna. I am a lover of all things high-end, colorful beauty and self-care. I also work at Ulta Beauty as a district leader, and I get a lot of education in my position at Ulta Beauty. I also get a lot of gratis. So my collection is the way it is because of subscription bags, subscription boxes, and Ulta Beauty, and I just don't need it anymore. So this is the last Ipsy unboxing that we're having here on my channel, and you know, I'm actually okay with it. I'm actually excited about it, and I'm excited to dig into this bag to see what we got. And if you're in for it, please stick around. I would love to have you walk through this bag with me. Alright guys, so this is my Ipsy Plus, and this is the last one. I was going to cancel it in January, but I ended up wanting to wait until the Ipsy Glam X information came out, and I am glad that I am canceling this because the next Ipsy X creator is Addison Rae, and I don't really know a whole lot about Addison Rae, to be honest with you. Is that even her name? If I'm honest, I don't know. But I do know that she is the creator of Item Beauty, which is like an Ipsy funded beauty establishment from what I understand. And it's not really that great. We've seen a lot of Item Beauty items in our Ipsy bags, so I have quite a bit of the Item Beauty collection, and I'm just not a fan. So while we don't really truly receive a whole lot from the beauty creators brand that is the X person, I do have to imagine that we will probably see quite a bit more Item Beauty than we have, like, say, Huda. But with that said, I just don't need it. Honestly, it comes down to the fact that I am a district leader for Ulta Beauty. I get a lot of gratis. I also, you know, over the last 4 years have went to our conference a couple times, got boxes and boxes and boxes worth of stuff. I actually get gifts. I also, you know, I mean, I just have too much. So I'm in this place where I feel like I have too much, and really that's the reason why I canceled Ipsy. But this will be the last bag that we unbox here on the channel. Let's just dig in. I'm so excited to open it up. Oh, this is cute. Okay, so this is the bag. The Plus bags come with a drawstring bag, which I can't say I'm super fond of, but I also am not mad at it. Like, I definitely didn't need 500 makeup bags, even though I have 500 makeup bags because I was part of the glam bag, the regular glam bag, for so long. I am going to pull up my app because the one thing about this bag that does drive me absolutely batshit crazy is that they don't put the prices of the products that they put in your bag on the card. It's just got a blurb or something. Last month it was something about like star signs, like Virgo, Sagittarius. I think it had something about that on there. So this is the bag, and it's super cute. It's kind of like tie-dyed. It's got a cute little happy face on it. Really pretty, like almost like pastel yellow pull cords. The first thing is this. It is a Fenty Beauty item. It is the Fenty Beauty Kilowatt highlighter in Hustla Baby. I do think I have this in a mini. I'm gonna pull that out. I have this in a little tiny mini guy? So while I'm not necessarily mad at it, because if I remember correctly, I do really like this highlighter. To be honest, it's a really pretty, like, champagne-y highlight. It's gorgeous. I love the Fenty Beauty highlighters. So I will probably give the little one to my daughter and keep the full size. These are typically, I want to say somewhere around 30 something dollars, 28 maybe. So really happy to have that in my collection. The next thing I pull out is this. This is an eyeshadow palette. I do believe that this was a choice. I can't remember, honestly, if Fenty was a choice of mine. This is the FORMULAZ So Pretty Transformation Shadow Palette. This is what the packaging looks like. It's not bad. On the back of it, it does have like the 6 pans of shadow, so I know that this is a 6-pan eyeshadow palette. And this is really pretty, but it's also very much glitter. Like this one right here is straight up glitter. I can't see me wearing this palette. This will probably go into my giveaway bins because I just don't see me wearing it. Again, it's a neutral palette. I just recorded my Beautylish Lucky Bag unboxing, and 2 of the palettes in there were also very neutral. I just don't know if I need this palette, so it will probably go into my giveaway bins, but I'm not mad at it. Then I have this. This is the GIRLACTIK Cranberry Sugar Face Scrub. I'm actually super excited about this. I love me a good scrub. I'm a little interested about the fact that it's a face scrub. Is it a sugar scrub? Does it have little granules? What makes me wonder about it is sometimes those scrubs are a little too vigorous for my face. So this is what the packaging looks like. It's just a really pretty pale pink jar. It does have a little bit of a roundness to the top of it. I'm gonna have to look it up specifically because I don't know if I'll want to use this on my face, but I would use it on my body regardless because I do love a good scrub. So not mad at this. GIRLACTIK is another one of those brands that I only see in subscription boxes, namely Ipsy's subscription boxes. I think I received a couple GIRLACTIK items as well from BoxyCharm. So there's that. The next thing is this, and this I'm really excited about. This is the DANESSA MYRICKS Vision Flush Lip, Cheek, and Eye Color. So this is probably, well, obviously, it's probably liquid or like cream of some sort. It does come completely sealed, which makes me happy. Sometimes these boxes don't come completely sealed. It makes me wonder what the hell is going on behind the scenes. So this is in the shade Ballet Slippers. Like, I am really excited about DANESSA MYRICKS, to be honest. It looks like this. This is the color of it. It looks very kind of like corally, but almost like tan corals. I'm actually excited about this item, but I don't know how to open it. I don't want to ruin it, but I can't get it open. So this is what it looks like. I'm actually kind of excited about that. And then we have these. These are the Context Balms. These are nude balms, and I actually have one of these. And it does look like the one that I have is currently in here as well. So I might give that one to my daughter. But it is a balm that I didn't think that I would love as much as I do. It's my purse balm. It lives in my purse because I just love it so much. So this one is the one that I have, and it is called All or Nothing. It's just a really pretty, like, corally, like brown coral color, and I love it. It's my purse balm. I wear it all the time. And then this one is called Hard Time, and it is kind of red. So it'll be interesting to see what I do with this guy because I don't wear red. So there's that. This is the card that comes with all of the Ipsy bags, and this one says, this month and year, make time for the things that make you smile. Soft pastel shadows, your favorite podcast, DIY mayonnaise. When you invest in bliss, the world becomes a brighter place, and it says happy vibes. So that's the theme of this month's box, which I think is fantastic. And this is what's on the inside of this card. It just says the happy cheat sheet. What is it, why it's used, when it works, and it has all the things that you need to know about skincare. So AHAs, hyaluronic acid, caffeines, BHAs, vitamin C, benzoyl peroxide, and retinoid. I think that this is a fantastic card. Honestly, I will probably keep this card, whereas most of the other times that we receive these kind of cards in Ipsy, I throw them out. So with that said, I am done. I have unboxed this, and I hope that you enjoyed it. Do you get Ipsy? And what did you get in your bag? If you do get Ipsy, I would be interested to know. And I hope that we don't miss it here on this channel. I also canceled my FabFitFun, so all of my subscription boxes are canceled. I think I have one more FabFitFun coming, and it's the one for spring. And then after that, you won't see that on my channel again either. So there's that. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope that if you did, you're considering giving it a big thumbs up. I also hope that you enjoyed it enough that you're considering subscribing before you go. I would love to have you along for this crazy ride of mine. Welcome you into our channel here and our wonderful community, and give you a warm welcome down in the comment section. So make sure that you're letting me know that you've subscribed if you do that. There are 56% of you out there watching my videos and not subscribing. So hey, what's getting in the way? I would love to have you here. You know, you come and watch me. You might as well just subscribe. It's totally free. I want to hit 1,000 subscribers this year, you guys. I've been on YouTube now for, this is my 4th year, right? Going into my 5th year, right? It's my 4th. August will be my 5th year. I need to hit 1,000 subscribers. That's it. That's all I'm asking for. I do hope that you guys are doing super well. I hope that 2022 is treating you all kindly so far. I hope that you and yours are well, that you're safe, that you're healthy, that you're sound, that you're getting along as best you can in this crazy world we're living in right now. I hope that you are loving each other, but loving each other from afar. And until next time, bye friends.